perfect impact. At exactly 7:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on September 26, 2022, DART achieved what many considered impossible: a direct hit on a target the size of a football stadium from millions of miles away. The impact occurred with the force of several tons of TNT, creating a spectacular explosion visible to ground-based telescopes worldwide. Andy Rivkin, the mission's investigation team lead at Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory, confirmed that DART struck within 17 meters of Dimorphos's center, a bullseye by any measure. The impact was captured by DART's own camera in its final moments, showing the rocky, boulder-strewn surface of Dimorphos rushing toward the spacecraft at incredible speed. Simultaneously, LICIACube, a small Italian-built observer spacecraft, photographed the collision from a safe distance, capturing images of the impact plume and debris cloud. Telescopes on Earth, including the Hubble Space Telescope and James Webb Space Telescope, immediately began tracking the aftermath. The impact created a massive debris tail stretching thousands of miles behind Dimorphos, visible as a bright streak against the darkness of space. Initial observations confirmed the mission was an immediate success, but the real surprises were just beginning to unfold.